Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the MVWAP trend indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, I get people who ask me if I can send them a list of all the winning indicators that we have discovered. If you are interested in receiving a list of all the indicators that we have tested, including the ones that we have discovered, but you are not interested in going back and watching all the videos from the beginning and all the way through to date, then what you can do is you can sign up for our Patreon. If you sign up for the $9 a month Patreon, then I will send you a list of all the indicators that we have tested to date. I also send out a updated list every week of all the indicators that we have tested up to that point. And if you are just interested in supporting the channel, there is a lower tier Patreon at about $3 a month that you can sign up for as well. So look for the Patreon link down below in the description to sign up for either of those. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the MVWAP trend indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 229 indicators, and out of those 229 indicators, 87 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 87 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the MVWAP trend indicator. You can see it here on screen. Pretty simple setup. This was the MVWAP was actually requested by a viewer, and while searching for the MVWAP, I actually found the MVWAP trend indicator, which, if you know me at all and you've watched any of my videos, the majority of my videos, I guess I should say, then you will know that I am not very fond of just a single line baseline entry to signals, trading signals, right? And so I'm not a fan of like just a single line moving average that you wait for price to break above or below, because often what happens is you end up getting chopped and pinballed in and out of trades literally one day after another. It's just you'll open a trade and then it will close down below, you'll exit, and then you'll enter on a short, and then the next day it goes up above and you'll exit and you'll enter on a long, and then the next day it goes down and you close the trade for a loss and you enter on a short, and you do that over and over, and it just gets really tiring. And so I'm more of a fan of something that gives a little bit of room, more like a channel, and so you can see that's kind of how this one is here. This is the MVWAP is, let's see if I can remember right, moving volume weighted average price is what this particular one is. So your standard VWAP is volume weighted average price, and so this one is a moving volume weighted average price. That's what MVWAP stands for. And so basically you can see here that we get green background and red background, and that's what we're looking for. When it goes green, we'll go long. When it goes red, we'll go short. Pretty simple setup. Let me go ahead and just bump up the color there just a little bit more, so that way it's really vibrant and we can actually see. Let's go ahead and start playing it out here and see what we can get out of this indicator. All right, so we get our first signal, I believe, right here. Yep, definitely was. And that one got us to take profit rather nicely. Let's go ahead and continue to play this one out. Now, we do need to be mindful of the fact that since it is a channel, price will come back into it and then it will break back out of it. And so in this particular case, it did that right here. I'm actually going to go in and turn the weight, the background color down to 60%. So that's 75. It's just really super bright and kind of obnoxious. And so, like I said, you can see here where price broke back out right here on that candle there, and unfortunately it does appear as though it did stop us out on the pretty much the next candle that took place there. Now you can see here that we pick up a red background right here on this one there. And unfortunately, it looks like we may have gotten stopped out on that one as well. Yes, we did. And then we pick up a green background here, and it looks like the same thing happened. We got stopped out rather quickly, and so that is unfortunate. Let's go ahead and play this out a little bit here. Right about there. We'll run through some of these. Looks like it comes back down, breaks back out there. That one didn't work out in our favor either. And right there we pick up a short. Right here we pick up a long. I think maybe that one got us to take profit. Yes, it did. So that one did get us to take profit on that one. So we finally picked up another decent winning trade there. Then a short trade here, which did get us to take profit as well. But then over here on this side, it does break down, break out of the channel one more time, and that one we were not so fortunate on. Let's see here. Let's measure this one out. You forget, what are we at? 110 is what we're looking for. And so we did get a winning trade there on that one. And following this back over here, we have not picked up anything else. So we get a real nice long downtrend right there. It started on that one. Definitely got us to take profit. Then we pick up a long signal right there on that one. Double check, but it looks like we got to take profit. Yes, we did. Good, good, good. Go ahead and continue to play this forward some more. So it looks like we picked up another long signal right there. That one unfortunately did not get us to take profit. Then over here we pick up a short signal on that one, which also did not work out too well. Then we follow it along over here where it dropped below right there. Let's see, measuring up, we are still within our stop, and finally picked up another win on that side. So let's go ahead and continue to play this out some. Alright, so we're here, it comes back in, breaks out to the downside. That would have stopped us out. Then that one, then we pick up a long right there, did not get us to take profit. Pick up a long right there, which might have, yeah, we were barely, let me double check this one right here. Oh, that's really close right there. And so it looks like we would have actually still been in this one all the way to that candle right there, and then that candle would have gotten us to take profit as it took off pretty decent there to the upside. Then a short, that one got us to take profit, and a short also getting us to take profit, and then a short right there, which is yet to be determined. Let's see what happens. Go ahead and play it out to the end of the year there. So it does appear, let's double check. Yep, we didn't get stopped out. Comes down, does get us to take profit right there. Then it breaks out right here. That one pretty much immediately turns around and stops us out. Then this one here, which I don't think it got us to take profit. It did not. And then that one right there, which got us to take profit. Alright, and there we have it. That's what we are looking for. That's what we're looking at for the year for the MVWAP trend indicator. Let's go ahead and add these up, see what we get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. So we have 25 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 12 winning trades. And so unfortunately, that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. I will go ahead and track down an actual MVWAP indicator, one that is not a channel style like this, and we'll go ahead and try that one on the next one. But for now, this particular one goes on the no list. We'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.